Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. Just look how dry my hair is. It's my 4C hair, and apart from that, my hair tends to get really dry. But not to worry, I have the solution. Like when I moisturize my hair, it stays moisturized for days. Don't mind my little one in the background. It stays moisturized for days, and I like that. One of the contributing factors, not only the products that I use to moisturize my hair, but also the fact that I took my ends away. Most of the time that I do moisturize my hair is not out. So even though the outer edges and so on is really dry, inside the middle section is really moist because I took it away nice. So I'm just going to show you what I do. So this is a midweek moisture routine. My hair is not freshly washed or anything, just fresh out of a protected style that I had in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my leave-in conditioner. Like you can see from the start, I spritz my hair with water first because water gives you moisture. Not all the time you'll see me do this because simply put, my leave-in conditioner already have water in it. But sometimes, like in this case, my hair is really dry and I feel like I need to add more liquid, so I go ahead and use my water. Then this, what you're seeing me using, is the Mielle leave-in conditioner. I use this when I have emergency situation, like if I use a shampoo on my hair previously that makes my hair hard. Also the water in the pipe, I realize that this really does the job of softening my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my shea butter recipe. Now, I don't want you to think, if you're watching for the first time, you're going to think that probably this is just whipped shea butter, but this actually have a leave-in conditioner, different oils and different stuff in it that has, you know, humectant that draws moisture from the atmosphere into your strand. So it's not just shea butter. A lot of people think that shea butter just form a barrier over here and blocks moisture to come in, but this combination is perfect and it has been working for me. Like you can see, my hair is healthy. My hair is strong, my hair is not breaking, it doesn't have split ends, it's not thinning out, and I've been using this for years, guys. And my clients that I've introduced this to have been using it and seeing great results. And that's what's important, not just length, but also the health of the hair, because with healthy hair will come the length. Sorry about the noise in the background, I have some little ones, but I have to do this voiceover for you guys. When it comes to moisturizing my hair, I pay special attention to my ends because they're the older part. They're more susceptible to breakage and damage. So you want to make sure that it's thoroughly moisturized. You put more products there and you take your time. Oh my gosh, this child won't give me a break to this voiceover.
No, it's the baby.
I'm going to put you guys out of my room.
No, this the baby.
Okay, thank you. Right, so you want to make sure that you work that product in every strand in the section because that is important to strengthen the hair. Oh my lord, I'm not doing this over again. I swear I'm not doing this over again. Once I'm done moisturizing the hair, I'll just twist it up or bantu knot it or braid it. In this case, I'm just doing some 2 strands twist to keep it stretched, of course, and also to prevent the hair from drying out too quickly.
Solid shoulder.
We got get just to be honest. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we got get just to be honest. Overseas tomorrow when we're alright. That's why you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we got get just to be honest. Overseas tomorrow.
Solid shoulder.
We got get just to be honest. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we got get just to be honest. Overseas tomorrow when we're alright. That's why you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we got get just to be honest. Overseas tomorrow.
Solid shoulder.
So my twists are looking so juicy and nice and full and bouncy. Yes. So I do not like to leave my hair like that. When I'm done, I like to tuck my ends under it, simply because it keeps the hair stretch and also to keep the moisture in the strands a lot longer. If you notice, guys, I directly put moisturizer on my edges as well. This will help them because they're very fragile, and this will keep them from breaking and help to retain the length. If you notice, I have full edges. I have a lot of baby hair, but I take very good care of my edges. I do not do styles that cause tension on them, and I make sure whenever I'm moisturizing my hair, I focus on that area as well, which is very crucial to retain your edges as well. So I'm just randomly pinning this ear up, like I said, not necessarily for the styling, but just to tuck my ends under so the moisture lasts longer in my strands. And then the next day, of course, I'll wear my hair like this. And just like that, we're done. I throw on a headband, or you can also throw on one of these. What do you call them in your country? I call them bandos in my country. Yeah, so cute, and you can switch it up if you want to. If you have to go someplace and you want to look a little bit cute. Anyway, guys, good night. See you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you. Bye.